How do we get the seed number for our images in Midjourney? It's very easy. You just click on Add Reaction in the top right corner of your image. The reaction is the envelope. If you can't find the envelope here, you type in envelope and then you click on the appearing envelope emoji and the envelope is sent. Now we are waiting for an answer of the Midjourney bot. It should appear, it appeared here in the blurry sidebar. Let's click on the Midjourney bot. And yeah, the Midjourney bot has sent us some information. First, the job ID, and second, the seed phrase. So if we head back to our Midjourney server, then we can now use the seed phrase to create consistent variations of that image prompt.